In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send test email in Brevo. We'll walk through creating a simple campaign and sending a test message so you can preview layout, links, and subject line before anything goes to your audience. First, sign in to your Brevo account and go to the marketing area. Open campaigns, then choose the option to create a new campaign. When Brevo asks for a name, pick something clear and recognizable, the kind of label you'll find easily later, and confirm to create it. Before sending anything, set up the essentials. Open the recipients panel and select the audience you plan to use later. For testing, we'll send to a single address in a moment, so you don't need to finalize the full list right now. This step just anchors your campaign to the right audience. Next, add a subject line. This is required before you can send a test. Keep it short and descriptive, and avoid spammy terms or excessive punctuation to help with inbox placement. Now it's time to design. Click Start Designing to open the email editor. You'll see several paths. Basic templates give you a clean starting point. Ready-to-use templates come pre-built with structure and styling. Create from scratch if you want full control over every block. Or open save templates to reuse a design you've already built. Choose what fits your workflow and click. Use template to load it in the editor. With your template open, make any quick edits you need, update text blocks, swap images, and check any buttons or links. When it looks right, go to the top menu and select Preview and Test, then choose Send Test Email. A field appears for the test address. Type your own test address, select it when it appears, and confirm it's added. When you're ready, click Send Test. If Brevo asks for confirmation, click Send Test again. Give it a moment and check your inbox. If the message isn't there, look in Spam or the Promotions tab and mark it as important. Also verify your subject line is present and your sender information is valid. If you're using personalization fields, remember that tests can show placeholder values unless the test address matches a contact with real data. That's it. You created a campaign, set a subject, chose a template, and sent a test email from the preview and test panel. Once your test looks good, finalize your audience and schedule or send the campaign with confidence.